Hello, this is a tutorial on how to turn on your media playback controls that Google recently added to Google Maps app. It can be handy when you navigating by walking. You want to still control your music, and you don't want it to you don't want to be able to turn off the navigation while still using your Maps app. So let's see how to do that. So if you go into Maps and go on the side menu, on the left side menu, and then go and scroll down to settings. Then scroll down to navigation settings. Then scroll down, as you can see, show media playback controls. So if you scroll halfway up, show media playback controls. If you slide the little slide button to the right, Google Play Music comes up. You hit next, and then it says, let's do that again. Connect a media app to Google Maps. Easily play music and other media while navigating. You can change this at any time. Settings, navigation. Don't forget to pay attention to your surroundings. Okay. And then you can choose the default media app. If you have other compatible apps, they'll display here and you can choose the default. I've chosen Google Play Music. So that's it. So let's do a demonstration. I'll just pick a location such as Melbourne, Australia. I hit directions, choose walk, and then navigate. As you can see on the right, there's a Google Play Music icon, and as you can see, once I pressed it, the music controls come up. It's whatever you played last time, but if you go to the browse, you can select a whole bunch of playlists. It's just loading some of your playlists. So that's it. And if you want to toggle that off, those audio controls, press the button, the Google Play Music button again, and it disappears. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and use it when, for example, commuting in public transport, or doing a hiking trip or walking around. This can be handy if you're lost and you still want to enjoy some tunes. Anyway, signing off till next time.